All right, it's coming on to 6:30, and my brother's on his way. He should be here in like 10 or 15 minutes or so. And we're going to be roasting brats and having s'mores. So I'm going to start getting everything ready here, the campfire going and everything. So, all right, talk to you in a little bit. You can see the campfire's going, and you can see there's now a chair. And my brother showed up for supper. And tonight we're having brats and s'mores. He brought the s'mores. So there we go. I stacked the wood a little bit differently than normal. I probably should have stacked it my usual way, but oh well. It'll burn. But I think I'm going to start roasting. Oh, there we go. Excellent. That was good. Talk to you later. It's about 20 after 7 right now. So that means the sun is pretty much set now. I only had just the one brat. I'm kind of like saving room for the s'mores later on. So just sitting here relaxing now. Good campfire. Yeah, it's 7:45 right now. You can tell it's kind of gotten dark. You can see the sky through the trees there. There's the campfire. Just enjoying the camping moment now. Waiting for the flame to die down more for roasting marshmallows. But still going strong yet. Nope, can't see me. Kind of. I'll be turning that on after a while when it gets more dark. Okay, a little after 8:30 p.m. now. Finally got the flames gone. Now it's just smoldering coals. And that's how I like it when I roast marshmallows. Exactly like this. So, time to do that. Of course, got the light on now. Okay, got my, whoa, got graham crackers and the chocolate ready. Here's my marshmallow. Probably gonna be too dark to see roasting right now, I think, but we'll see here. We're taking a zoom in a little bit more. All right, try it and see. Okay, not very well, but yeah, I'm gonna take and bring this over here. I'll come back and finish roasting the marshmallow, and then I'll eat my s'more. Whoa. Okay, I made 4 s'mores. I'll eat the first one. Well, that was good, really good. I'm gonna eat just enjoy the next 3 and talk to you later. Well, my brother just left. He went home now, and it's I think it's almost 9:30 now. It's totally dark now. Got most of the stuff put away. So all I'm doing now, I'm just gonna sit by what's remaining of the campfire, just burning coals, and just sit there in the quiet for a while. So let's go over there and take a look at it. Okay, we got a few things to put away yet. Let's go over to see what it looks like. There we go. I'm at the current status of the campfire. Yeah, it really doesn't focus very well now. There you go. Whoa. Okay, let's go back over the light again. Oh. Okay. All right, so I think that's going to be it for tonight, but it's not the end of the video right now. I'm going to take and I'm leaving in the morning, going back home, and I got to work in the afternoon. So I'm good. Okay. I'll see you in the morning, and I'll still do a clip or 2 in the morning. So, all right, see you in the morning. All right, and good morning, everybody. Here it is. Oh, okay, Friday morning. I already had breakfast. I already got that put away, and already loaded the bike up. So right now I'm ready to go. So here's my last clip of the of the trip of this video too. So a little quick look around the campsite. Of course, here's what's the remnants of the campfire. There's one last look at the campground. Into the woods down there, and the Buffalo River. You see the water down there. It's a nice little state park. I really like it. And the thing is, once you park at their campsite, you just walk everywhere. Everything's close. Okay. All right. And here we are back around. Okay, so that's going to wrap up this video, going to wrap up this trip. I'm going to hop in the van and head for home. So, here we go. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next trip.